Today, we're diving into something most people overlook when it comes to weight loss and the keto lifestyle, and that is visualization. Yep, mentally rehearsing your success before it happens. You might be hitting your macros, following your meal plan, and tracking everything, but if your mindset isn't aligned, your progress can stall. So let's talk about 3 powerful ways to use visualization to hit your goals faster and stay strong when obstacles hit. Point number 1, see it before you do it. Visualization is like mental practice. Just like a pro athlete visualizes a perfect performance, you can visualize staying on track with keto. Take 2 to 5 minutes each morning, close your eyes, and see yourself choosing healthy keto meals, saying no to sugar and starches, feeling energized, slimmer, and in control. Use all your senses. See it, feel it, hear it. You're programming your brain to believe in your success before it happens. This makes your brain more likely to act in alignment with that vision throughout your day. Point number 2, visualize the tough moments and winning anyway. It's easy to picture everything going perfectly, but here's the real secret. Also visualize the hard stuff. Imagine you're at a barbecue with friends, chips, desserts, drinks everywhere, but in your mind, you already see yourself handling it like a champ. You brought your keto-friendly dish. You confidently pass on the cookies. You don't just survive the moment, you own it. This trains your mind to handle real-life triggers with less stress and more success. Point number 3, make it a daily ritual. Visualization is simple, but only if you do it consistently. Every morning or before bed. Take just a few minutes. Over time, it strengthens your confidence, rewires your mindset, and helps you stay focused when temptations show up. Pair it with a personal affirmation or motto, and it becomes a superpower for you. So if you're serious about long-term keto success, don't just focus on what's on your plate. Focus on what's in your mind. See yourself thriving. Picture your success, and then live into it. You've already achieved it in your mind. Now go make it real. If this helped, give it a like and subscribe for more keto strategies that go beyond the plate. Let's crush it together. See you in the next video.